In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily transfer data between databases in Notion. This process is straightforward and should take just about 5 minutes of your time, whether you're working on consolidating information or reorganizing your workspace. Transferring data efficiently can make a world of difference in how you manage your projects. The first step you want to take is logging into your Notion account. Make sure you have access to both the source and target databases you'll be working with. If you haven't already, open your Notion app on your desktop or browser and sign in with your credentials. This way, you'll ensure you have everything at your fingertips to move forward smoothly. Once logged in, navigate to the page that contains the database from which you intend to move your data. This is essentially your starting point. So take a moment to ensure that you're on the correct page. If you have multiple databases, you can navigate through them using the sidebar or by simply searching for the page in the search bar located at the top left corner of Notion. Now that you've opened the correct page, it's time to select the entries you want to move. Depending on how much data you are dealing with, this can be as simple as clicking on an item or, if you're moving several entries, by holding down the Shift key as you click on the desired items. This selection process is crucial as it determines exactly what information will be transferred to your target database. Next, you need to make use of the 6-dot menu, which appears next to the entries you've just selected. Once you've highlighted the entries you want to move, click on the 6-dot icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Move To option, which allows you to determine the destination of the selected data. You will then be presented with the task of selecting your target page or database. Carefully pick the destination where you want your content to be moved. If you find it difficult to locate your target database in the menu, use the search function to speed up the process. This functionality not only saves time, but also prevents any wrong moves that could create chaos in your organization system. Finally, if you are moving an entire database, ensure to check its relations to other databases. You might need to make adjustments once the move is complete to maintain the integrity of your data relationships in the new location. Doing so will ensure that associated links and information remain consistent and functional. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to transferring data between databases in Notion. By following these steps, you can optimize your workflows and keep your projects running smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing!